Our stunt is going to be a jump over 2 Thanksgiving dinners at the Verizon Center.
And to achieve this, we need 25.23 meters to speed up. And then once we have that distance, we will reach a speed of 20.21 meters per second, also known as 45 miles per hour. To figure out our VIX and our VIY, we need to use SOHCAHTOA. So we'll take, to find VIX, we use the cosine of 45 degrees times by our speed, 20.1 meters per second. That will give us 14.21 meters per second moving across the x-axis. Our VIY, we will use the sine formula, and that will use our angle again with our speed will get us the same thing, surprisingly. And so for time, we will be using our VFY equals VIY plus gravity times by time. So we take negative 14.21 is equal to our VI, which is 14.21 plus negative 9.8, which is the force of gravity, times by our time, which we do not know yet. Then we get, so once we do all that, we could get time by itself. We get 28.42 is equal to negative 9.8. Then we divide that out and we get our time of 2.9 seconds. For our jump distance, we will use our delta x is equal to VIX times by our time. Our VIX is 14.21. Then we will times that by our time, which is 2.9, to get us our jump distance of 41.21 meters. To figure out the height of the jump, because of how tall our arena is, we will be using delta y is equal to VIY times by time plus 1/2 times by gravity times by time squared. Our VIY is 14.21, and we have to use half the time because we're only going for the height. We're not going for the full jump. That will be 1.45 plus 1/2 of our gravity with 1.5 squared. That will get us 20.31 for this, and that will give us negative 10.3 for this part. Our delta y is equal to 10.31, and we have to add our height of our ramp, which is 3 meters, 3.53 meters tall, and that gives us a total of 13.84. So to figure out the distance for our acceleration, we just take our acceleration, which is 8.7 times by 2.6 seconds, which gives us 23.21 meters per meters to speed up to get to our 45 miles an hour.
So our overall expenses is $1,400, and $1,000 is the bike rental for the bicycle that he's doing, and the other $400 is $300 goes to the overall food, table, and silverware, and each rent is $50 to make, which all adds up to $1,400. And our what makes it unique is that we're jumping 2 Thanksgiving dinners, so it's pretty scary because if we messed up our calculations, lots of people could end up getting hurt, and that's why people is gonna come and see it. And admission is $10 a person.
Okay, so our stuntman is going to come out of the tunnel of the Verizon Center, achieve a speed of 45 miles an hour, go up the ramp, over 2 Thanksgiving dinners, touchdown, and settle.
What made this possible is the height, or the length of the arena is in total 60 meters, and the tunnel is 25 meters, which is where you're going to start in. And the height of the whole arena is 15 meters tall.